I touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the TheRealNique channel, where the realest of the realest gone. If you're not ready to get real, you might as well get gone. I'm back, and yes, I have gloves because I'm finna do surgery. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me not be dramatic. I'm finna clean, as y'all probably already know by the title. I'm finna clean, and it's one of my clients' house. Not my client, but my work client. You know what I mean. But yeah, I'm finna clean somebody's house, so I think I'm gonna deep clean the fridge. I don't know how deep clean because I only got so much time on my hands. But I'm definitely gonna wipe a lot of stuff down. I just was making bucket water. Yes, this is like for mopping, but I'm gonna use it. It's a brand new bucket. I'm gonna use it for like to, you know, put the sponge in, wipe stuff down, stuff like that. So I'm probably finna tackle this fridge. So it's a lot of just crowdedness. Some of that stuff is old, not old, and I'm gonna just try to clean it out and wipe it down a bit. So that's what it looks like before. I did a little bit of organizing in here, but not like too much, just enough. And then I don't know, I'm gonna probably try and tackle these floors and stuff like that because they're gross. And I bought a new little mop head for the person's mop. This is like my station, but I went to the dollar store, got a new mop head for the mop, and just some simple stuff to be able to use and get stuff cleaned up in here, straightened up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now I'm gonna start with the most likely the fridge. So I was grabbing a trash bag, which is over here. Just grabbing a trash bag so that I can get it going. So let me set you guys up.
Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Giving all the credit I was cool. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was through. I ain't tripping, just don't push it. This is cool, I'ma focus on the vision. 'Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amused me. Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Yeah, if it is so useless, now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. What you see, niggas tell me that you sexy niggas, I'm just ready. Tell 'em now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so real. Oh, what the fuck you think?
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel. Go through underground garages, presidential suite on the plaza, elevator up. Shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Yo, in my phone, what numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Another one to go to Spain. When you let me in between. That was 2017, all good, trouble, look around, find one to see my type. Yeah, my dog, he know what I like. He done got me plenty in my life. Problem is, I need a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Got a real credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday. they grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. Last night I was so high, almost jumped out of the window. Love is all yours from a distance. I'm thinking, if you ever need me, come see me. Last night I was so high, I was so high, from a distance. Bus running in the rain.
like all the girls around me. Do that, baby. When you say it, I'm not playing. He's unreplaceable. You're worth that chase, yeah, it's alright. I'm not dangerous. You're mine. I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable. Collectible. Just like fire. Took me a while in your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. See me a lifetime in this love. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart is telling you you belong there. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're I got static in my dick. Fucking with it. Pull up with this 30 and this chopper on a bitch. And I heard that nigga speak. That's the rest of right. It's all real window. He's a window, I need to say it. Love whatever you do with it. I keep some right out the front door. I'm picking it up. And every time you look on my phone, I'm picking it up. I heard it's some niggas that on my head. I heard it's some niggas that on my brain. Y'all niggas that show me play out on the niggas. Whole lot of that. Yeah, whole lot of gold. Niggas in my flesh. Whole lot of him. Yeah, whole lot of red movies on my dick. Yeah, the tea. I can see a lot of niggas. Yeah, drink with you, bitch. I know you ain't dick. My twitch is dick. Man, you wanna believe me, so I'm putting my dick in quick. Man, you wanna believe me, so I'm
Alright, so I finished up pretty much, but I have to go, but I finished up most of this, washed those dishes. This is his dinner that's out, the microwave, the fridge, and then remember I wiped this floor, and then remember I already had the pantry, and then I'm gonna mop. So I got the mop water and then the mop head, and then I'm just taking disinfectant wipes and I'm wiping all like the little handles and stuff. And I wipe this down or whatever. So, yep.